Part 8, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. At 6s and 7s, Hindi. Puri tarah avyavasthit. Explanation. In a state of confusion or disorder. Example, after the sudden change, the whole team was at 6s and 7s. 2. At the 11th hour, Hindi. Akhiri samipar. Explanation, at the very last moment. Example, he submitted his assignment at the 11th hour. 3. At the end of the day, Hindi. Akhirkar ya ant mein. Explanation, ultimately, when everything is considered. Example, at the end of the day, hard work matters most. For at the end of one's rope, Hindi, Taryiki Sima Khatm Hona. Explanation, having no patience or options left. Example, she was at the end of her rope after trying many times. 5. At the helm of Hindi, Netit Me Hona. Explanation, being in control or in a leading position. Example, the principal is at the helm of the school's progress. 6. At the outset, Hindi Shuruat Mein. Explanation, at the very beginning. Example, at the outset of the meeting, he welcomed everyone. 7. At the top of the agenda, Hindi Sabse Jaruri Mudda, the most important topic to discuss. Example, student safety is at the top of the agenda. 8. At the double, Hindi Bahut Jaldi, very quickly or at double speed. Example, the team finished the work at the double. 9. Baby step. Hindi Chota Lekin Mahatvapurn Kadam. Explanation, a small step taken towards progress. Example, learning 5 new words a day is a baby's towards fluency. 10. Back against the wall. Hindi, Mushkil sthiti mein phasna. Explanation, being in a situation with very few options. Example, with exams near, he felt his back was against the wall.